Hey you guys, I'm back with a video for you guys. I'm doing a quick KC Cup video. I have stuff to do. I got to pack because my mom getting married in like 4-ish days, so I got a wedding to go to and whatnot. So I don't have time to actually be doing a real video, so I figured I'd just do a quick KC Cup video duel. I think I'm playing Amazons. I forgot what deck I have made at the moment. Battle Drag Unities. I've been enjoying Drag Unities, by the way. That deck is so good. I have linked up to DLP 11, I think it is. Yes, I'm playing Amazons. Cool. Yeah, that's a pretty good hand. Oh, against Destiny Heroes, though. Which means Candina does nothing against the deck. If they're gonna try to OTK me, I might as well help ya. When he goes to Fusion Summon, double Metamorph his monster, and he takes the battle damage from, Amazon's Swordswoman. Pretty cool. I'm assuming he's gonna fusion summon with mass change. That's probably what the safe is. I actually played Destiny with Diamond Dude in mine. I don't know why people play Destiny with Diamond Dude. I'm like, Diamond Dude is crazy good. Blackhawk can make you plus like crazy. Assuming you don't get OTK'd. I'm hoping that phase down isn't a mass change. Pretty good, huh? 2100. I guess it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to wipe the board. Not wipe it, but I'm just like trying to clear out all of his monsters so he can't do nothing. Well, that sucks. That's fine. It's not even the best card you could play. That's one of the worst ones you could play. Secret Armor is better. Wall Disruption is better. Mirror Wall is better. I don't know why people would play that. I honestly don't see me coming back from this. That is helpful though. If I can get like Amazon as Tiger, I can do a lot with that. That's 3,200 damage on board. I actually should have played a monster. Honestly, I don't know why he's a once per duel pack. That is so bad. It doesn't even need to be a once per duel. Wall Disruption is something that I could top deck. That'd be really great right now. Wall Disruption would be amazing right now. Drop all of his monsters down to 0. gonna let her take the hit for me. It's fine. Hey, you know, I need to make a comeback victory, so, I mean, it's cool. Yeah, I lost. That's most unfortunate. I'll do like one more game. Then my wife and I are gonna do our time. We watch TV together, whatever, every night. You know, just spend time together. And then I'm gonna go to bed. I gotta get up early in the morning, and I'm tired. I haven't had coffee yet today. So, you guys know I love my coffee. I messaged my wife saying hi on Facebook when she's like right here. This deck has a pretty bad matchup against Destiny Heroes. I've learned that you should never play your back row, then use this. You use this first, because then you can, they don't know what your face down is, which one's which. But if you search for it, then they're gonna, if you set everything else and then search for it, they're gonna know what that one card is. Unless you bluff them with a bunch of other back row, but, you know. Also, I always put my back row down second, the card I searched for, because everybody expects you to play it first or last, but not second. It's a psychological thing. "21 cards. That is so weird. Such a weird number for a deck. Oh, I was trying to push back. I don't know why. I'm tired. So I will use him on flop. So I want to banish that fucker. Because I think I know what it is. And if it is what I think it is, then banishing it will solve my problem. I can circumvent its effect. It's that dude when it gets destroyed by battle, if it's in the graveyard, it searches for a Harpy card. But if I don't have a Harpy, I mean, if it doesn't get destroyed into the grave, it gets banished instead. That's not what I thought it was. Black Wings. Okay. Okay. Okay, I guess. Cool. She's okay with these hobbies with Blackwing just because of the build spell. It makes it strong. Oh really? I didn't know Hobby Queen became Harpy Lady on field. On grave. That's a fun fact. You need another Harpy Lady in your deck. Can't be expected to know every card ever made, right? Although, I really am a Yu-Gi-Oh! Second video. For the most part, I know what everything is. Typically, I don't even have to read a card. I just instinctively know what the card does and what it, you know. I feel really nerdy saying that, by the way. I think he had, what, 1200 defense, so I better... Not that it matters, because I can, oh no, I don't have onslaught, so it doesn't matter. Shit. That's fine. I actually could have treated this off, set this, I mean, that sucks. I can't play out his back row. I can say good news, I have another one of these, but now I don't have a monster to play with it. I actually do have water disruption now, which will drop his bounces down to 0 as well. Oh, ain't that bull. Wait, what? I thought I brought it up by 300. This game's weird. Well, monsters can go minus an attack point. I don't know. Unlike his monsters, my monster is at full strength. So all my Amazon princesses that I'm going to summon off of these. I could have attacked that and did a little more extra damage. That 200 wouldn't have been worth it. I wanted to get a Harpy off of his field. That tells me good news. That tells me he likely doesn't have anything to stop me. It's amazing what one water disruption can do. So I have to attack. I want my life points to be lower for the time being until I'm ready to OTK. But this has to attack, so it would have put him lower than me. So instead of doing that, I could distribute it off with her. Summon this, which will help me OTK next turn. And 15 would be 3,000, so I could attack both of these and then. Okay. He's stalling. So did I forget to put? Did I put that in my deck? I think I forgot Windstorm. Which, by the way, this card is like insanely good in Duel Links, and not Duel Links. Well, that too. But in Speed Duels, I mean, it's really, really powerful. This is gonna make OTKing very, very difficult now. But only Amazon Tiger. I don't know if I even have it out of that now. $1,400 isn't a lot. Also, I'm really just trying to like burn through his back row. That canteen is so helpful. Canteen too good, bro. I think I have a metamorph for my deck still, so. What's that the card I'm looking for? I actually could have attacked this and made him take 500. Okay. That didn't really do much. I think I still lost though. Let's see if I can make him take the 1,500. It's gonna be close. If he synchros, yes. If he synchros, I'm gonna say, what is he gonna synchro into? Can I retarget it? Of course, he has another freaking Hoppy lady. I think he won't kill me solely because of that, but no, it's still gonna be game either way. Wait, what? Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. Let me think. Blah, blah, blah. Let me know what you think in comments below. Y'all know the drill. Subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. TheJinzo. Sign out. Night, you guys. Bye.